attract a lot of customers to your business just by doing this special remedy. It's very effective, it has no side effect, and it's good for those who are having business, both online and not online business. Do this to attract a lot of customers. They'll come in large numbers and people will come to support you in your business. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to the Golden Blossom. So if you just came across my video, thank you so much for clicking on it. Join the family. This is the Golden Blossom channel and we share spiritual tips and spiritual guide. You can follow me on TikTok as well, but if you're from TikTok, you can just subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. So in today's video, I want to teach you how you are going to attract customers to your business, how to bring a lot of money to your business just by attracting customers. You do not just do business and sit. You do not just set up something and just sit without doing another things, okay, that are going to keep your customers. You can have customers as well, but as time goes on, customers go on disappearing, or they go on increasing or decreasing, so that two things may happen. So if you have a business, please watch this video until the end and see how you are going to attract a lot of customers, grow your business and bring in more money. Yes, now you are going to be doing the following and see how people are going to support you, even those who were not supporting you. Some of you have businesses and you just set up a business and sit and you keep complaining, customers are lost, I don't have customers, I don't have anyone to support me. Because you do not do any spiritual work for your business. You do not do anything to keep your business. You do not pray. You do not do anything. You just sit in your business and think customers will come. Okay. So right now we have sea salt and cinnamon and sugar. Okay. Get those three ingredients and get cinnamon. So this is the cinnamon stick. You can as well put this in your business anywhere, or in the corner, in the shelves, in anywhere. Okay. And this is cinnamon powder. Make sure you always have some cinnamon and salt just to protect and attract in your business. Yes, so this is cinnamon. You can pick this from the grocery stores or your local markets. So what we are going to do is to get a big bowl just like this and drop the sea salt inside. Please, if in case you don't find sea salt, you can use the normal salt, but make sure you do not use the salt that you use to cook with at home. Okay, get a new salt and use that one for this remedy, okay, for this spiritual work. And the second thing you're going to do is to mix cinnamon and sugar. It may be brown sugar or white sugar, just like this, and put in your palms. Yes, this is cinnamon and sugar in your palms, and look at your palms. These are the palms that receive money. These are the palms that touch your business. These are the palms that welcome your customers, and they will be the same palms that receive money. There will be the same palms that will count a lot of money when people come to support you in your business. And they are the same palms that set up your business. Okay, so rub these palms and mention everything that you want in your business. So as you're rubbing your palms, you are attracting customers. You are calling customers, whoever has not been supporting you. By the grace of the Lord, people will come to support you in your business. Whoever has been just bypassing or just bargaining and they go without buying from you, they'll come and buy from you. So as you're rubbing the palms with cinnamon and sugar, make sure you mention, make sure you chat, you say everything that you want, okay, to happen in your business, to grow your business, to attract a lot of customers, your business to look nice, to be more attractive. This is a very effective and good remedy, because once you do it in your business, it will never be the same. And now we are going to go ahead and get water and put in this bowl. So you are going to mix the water with all the recipe that we did, the salt, cinnamon and sugar. Mix in this one bowl. Okay, go ahead and stir, and as you are stirring, say every good thing that you want to happen in your business. Okay, let the salt dissolve and say everything. Chat, keep chatting. Remember, there is sea salt inside, and sea salt is good for the business when it comes to blessings. Okay, this just split sea salt around and see how all the bad energy, the bad spirit, the bad eye, the witchcraft that was done to your business, it will disappear immediately. So this water is a blessing. Once you split it outside your shop, it will never be the same. Okay, just do it and see. And even if you're not the owner of the business, you can do this as well. Please, you can do this to bring in more money and attract more customers to your business. Guys, this is what I wanted to show you right now. Okay, after you finish, mix this water. You are going to split it outside your business, and make sure you do this very early in the morning. Okay, very early in the morning. Once you open your shop, just get the water and split it outside the shop. Yes, split it everywhere, and whoever comes and stands next to your shop willing to buy, they will buy and not just walk away. People will come and support you to your shop. Okay, yes, just do this and see. By the special grace of God, people will come and support you. Money will increase in large number. And see, just do this and see how things are going to just to support you. See, this is cinnamon and sea salt. Cinnamon has a high vibration of attracting whatever thing that you want to attract, and sea salt has the vibration to cancel away the negative energy that was put anywhere. Okay, to block everything that was put anywhere. So please just do this remedy into your business and see how people are going to rush to your business and support you. And for those who have the online work, online business, online jobs, you can do this as well. You can do the first step, and once you finish, when it comes to washing your hands, you can just split this water outside your house or outside your warehouse, anywhere. Yes, as long as you're running a business, people will come and support you. You will receive a lot of customers, a lot of money. Just do this spiritual work. It's very good and very effective. It has no side effect, and it's good for those who have businesses. And just in case you want to grow your business, you just started your business, this is a good start. Do this and thank me later. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. You can always ask any question.